Haïti chérie, puis belle pays passé où nos où était capable de travailler, où était laissé,
Tu viens de ma poche.
You're gonna buy that little one like this. That costs about 200 goods for this little thing here.
Okay.
Tu m'as mis ça?
Move over, brother.
Hey, où on va She was.
Okay, that's mushroom Maggie.
She's professional. She's quick. Boom, boom, boom.
Combien de ça?
How much is the chicken?
Chicken.
Ça me donne 850 pour payer.
Ah, oh, 4,000 goods for both of them.
Boy, that's a lot, no?
That's pretty good. You can lower the price as well.
But we're not looking for chicken.
No.
Sorry.
This is all the Haitian. This is all typical Haitian rice. So that's the best rice ever. So we have this one and that one. They all have different names as well.
Now, rice is a staple part of any Haitian's diet.
Oh yes, that's something they consume very much every day. But this is more expensive than the Miami or Arkansas rice that you will find from the U.S. It's more organic as well.
La filmé. Ça c'est poireau. OK?
Green onion.
C'est poireau.
Okay.
Ça c'est l'ail.
Got it.
Ça c'est céleri.
Celery, don't know how to call it.
Poivron.
That's green pepper.
Et puis ma douce. Ça c'est oignon.
Onion.
OK. Piment piqué.
That's hot pepper.
That's my favorite.
OK. Persil.
Persil, we call that one too.
Maggi.
And a Maggi.
OK. Bon, c'est tout ça que moi utilisé pour faire ça.
This is everything that you're using to do that kind of seasoning.
Okay.
Ça c'est pour viande.
So that's already complete.
Yeah, that's what I mean. This
Okay.
is all that you use that makes that.
Gotcha. And now, what type of meat do we have here?
Quelle qualité de viande nous gagnons?
Cabri.
Goat.
Goat. Well, you like goat?
I love goat.
That's good. Yeah, it smells very good. Seasoning.
Li santi
Pour
bon.
viande là, moi mettre citron. Jennifer zo secret. OK? Il y a citron là-dedans,
The
Yeah,
citrus.
lime,
il y a vinaigre
vinegar.
parce que ils ont un su.
It's orange,
Okay.
but it's not the sweet one.
Okay.
Sour.
Tout là-dedans.
All of that is mixed up in the meat. Seasoning your meat.
In what part of the goat is this? I'm seeing things that I've never seen.
No, cabrit la sour.
J'arrête.
And you have the leg,
Tomber cabri.
and they have
The stomach.
The stomach. We're not giving Tatiana any of
No,
that.
no.
No, you just arrived.
Ça c'est libre à faire à boire.
And this is what she's gonna use to.
Dans la boire.
Qu'est-ce qu'on va manger là?
What is it?
That's what we're gonna eat.
Oh.
And she's gonna put all that in it.
What is that, sorry?
This is peas.
Okay.
Now we just teach you how to prepare your Haitian
I have a secret
meals at
recipe.
home. You haven't seen it? This is all the recipe. See it?
No, I have the secret
Yeah.
recipe.
But you can find that at home. Can you?
Yeah, everything here.
Oh
of
yeah.
course,
Okay, good. But ours is more organic. You know that?
I
I'm just saying.
100%. I do not doubt that. Now, is there a name for the whole meal?
Est-ce que vous non we call it ragu. Ragu. It's like a stew.
Okay.
Yeah. You're gonna do a kind of stew with the meat.
Oh, it smells very good.
Oh yes.
And
Too
chicken.
bad the camera can smell
That's
it.
a chicken.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, the YouTubers will not be able to smell this food.
You are there, Timmy. Va t'asseoir, chérie. Vas-y. Non, c'est pas pour toi.
This, what you look in here, is a typical Haitian dish. You see? Right here, we have the goat. Yeah. And right there, that's the pepper, spices, what we call pickles.
Okay.
Yeah, in our language. And this rice is national rice growing here in Haiti. All organic, with peas in it, and the mushroom. The mushroom is a cube of Maggi that's put in it, but the actual mushroom, but that's really good. And the juice that's in there, that's lime juice.
Sounds good.
Yeah. And we have avocado mixed up with a little bit of lettuce, cucumber, and tomato in it.
Beautiful.
And we usually say, bon appetit.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
The chef, I want to say thank you to the chef. Merci en pile. Bon petit manger.
I'm
Nous
excited.
allons manger.
This is my first real meal.
This is your first Haitian meal
In
since
1 week.
you arrived here in 1
Yes.
week. Yeah.
See, the one thing about shooting this type of video, I actually enjoy the process. The last thing I like to do is put a camera in my mouth when I'm eating. So I figured I'll eat my meal real quick, and then I'll put the camera towards you. So you can explain the textures and the tastes and some of your thoughts.
It's really delicious.
No doubt, let me jump in. It was very, very good.
It's very good. I like it. I like the goat and the sauce that's on it. The rice that have all the seasoning also as well. I can taste the green onion in it and the peas. And also they ground the coconuts. And then what they do, they took the liquid and then they put
Put it on the rice.
they put on the rice, so you can taste actually the coconuts and everything. You know, it tastes really good. I like it with all that little carrot, little peas in it. It tastes good.
Very
You don't
good.
have any onion on yours, but I do.
No.
But this is really good.
So, out of 5 stars, what are we giving it?
Shoot, I think I'm I'm jumping to 5 stars with this one.
How could we give it? How could we give it anything else but a 5 stars? There's no doubt.
5 stars.
We're guests at someone's house. It was very good. Very good meal. I give it a thumb up.
Thumbs up right behind you.
My final full day in Haiti in my first homemade, home-cooked, traditional meal.
Patient. You went to the market.
Yeah.
You saw everything that she
The
bought.
process.
The process of it. And bring it back home and cook. Oh, what do they say? There's a word. Once you give a woman this and that, they just multiply it. That's what just happened.
I don't know. It worked. It worked.
It works.
All right.
Tout ça,